Hey guys, welcome to Vehicle Visionary. Today I want to share a tip with you about the 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. This is the King Ranch Platinum Edition that I happen to be sitting in, but it's not the only model that has this feature. So you might want to check your vehicle if this is a problem you ever run into. But let's just say you hop into your Super Duty one day and you need to use the camera that's mounted on the front grille of the truck. And you bring it up on your infotainment screen and you notice that it's dirty. Oh man, then you gotta hop out and clean it off, don't you? No, actually you don't. All you have to do is reach over here on the lever on the left-hand side of the steering wheel where you run your windshield wipers, and where you would normally push the button in to run the windshield washer fluid to clean your windshield. If your camera is up on the front end of the truck, there's a little mechanism that's gonna come out that's gonna spray water across the lens and clean it right off. It's an absolutely awesome feature. So next time you get into your Ford vehicle, whether it's a Super Duty like this incredible truck or others, and you notice that the camera on the front end of the vehicle is dirty, now you know how to clean it. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy the video, make sure to give me 2 thumbs down. Yes, click that button twice. And leave me a comment, let me know you were here. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to watch. Have a wonderful day.